Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to fully delete your Jira account, or technically your Atlassian account, since everything runs through there. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Atlassian account. Jira uses the same login, so if you're already logged in, you can skip ahead. Once you're in, hover over your profile picture in the top right corner and click on Account Settings. That'll take you straight to your main profile dashboard. On the left side, look for the section called Account Preferences or Security and Account Settings. The layout changes now and then, but you should see an option for managing your account. Scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account. Atlassian usually adds a little warning here about what gets removed: projects, access, connected products, all that stuff. When you click the delete button, you'll get a confirmation screen. Read it, take a second, and if you're sure, go ahead and confirm. Atlassian will send you an email before anything actually gets deleted. Check your inbox for that email and hit the confirmation link inside. After that, your account goes into a short waiting period, and then, it's permanently removed. One quick note: if you manage any Jira sites, you might have to transfer ownership first. Otherwise, the delete option might be blocked. And that's pretty much it. If you're cleaning up old accounts or switching platforms, I hope this made the whole process easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the other guides whenever you need them.